Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I'm working before Qatar, Kuwait, in Saudi.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
For future
For future,
family.
why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I don't have enough money, madam, for cash
Placement.
assistant
For placement.
placement. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, I'm Rhea Jimena. I'm 37 years old. I have three kids, three girls, and I have a live-in partner here in Philippines. S- uh,
Okay, it's okay. I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
May 31, 1988.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2", and my weight is 64.
64.
65. Yes, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school undergraduate lang, ma'am. Third year high school.
Okay. So you mentioned that you got live-in partner, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you got three kids, and according to your profile, their ages is 18, 10, and 13 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
And my parents, ma'am, in Bicol.
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
Uh, housewife, but they're old and have a meron naman po sila mga kasama, ma'am.
Okay, please speak in English, ate. Okay? Because the employer won't understand.
Okay.
So, how old is your mother and your father?
My mother is 73 years old and my father is 78.
Okay, what about your live-in partner? How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
My live-in partner, the age of 29, and his work as construction worker.
Okay, is he the father of your children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you don't have any child with this live-in partner.
No, ma'am. I already like it.
Okay, so what about how many brother and sister do you have?
I have three brother. I am only daughter.
Okay, what
Like
is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, or the third?
the fourth, ma'am.
The fourth. Is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have problem later.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, according to you and according to your profile, you have a working experience in Middle East, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your first working experience or what is the first country that you have a working experience as a domestic helper?
I working in the Qatar of 2 years, and in Kuwait, I have 8 months. 8 months.
Okay, so in Qatar, you worked for 2 years. What year did you started and what year did you finish?
Uh, 20, 2009 I started and 2021.
2019 to 2021.
Okay, yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so what is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in Qatar?
For taking care of all the
Elderly.
yes, ma'am.
How old are those elderly?
My employer the
The female, how old?
female 75
What about
and
the
the
male?
83.
Female. And the male is 83, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
While taking care of this elderly, you do the house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes the female is go outside and also me. I am take care of wheelchair.
Okay, so you do the house chores at the same time, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Uh,
after
they
this,
they have a cooking.
okay, so in other words, you do the house chores, laundry, ironing, and taking care of these two
Yes,
elderly.
yes, ma'am.
After 2021, where is the other working experience in other countries?
Kuwait, ma'am.
How many months or years you work there?
2022 maybe. I for
2022?
I forgot, madam.
But you worked there for 8 months.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so what month and year? And what I need the exact month. In what
Uh,
month of 2022? Okay, so what month in Kuwait? What year and month?
July 2021 to March 2022.
Okay, so you worked there for 8 months. What is your job responsibilities there?
Cleaning, ironing, laundry, ma'am.
So you do the house chores only. There is no
Yes, ma'am.
children or elderly inside the house.
Have, ma'am, two kids.
Did you take care of the two kids?
I I three kids, ma'am. Three family member.
Did you take care of the children?
Yes, ma'am.
So you take care of three children.
Yes, ma'am. Uh,
So you meaning you take care of one kid only.
yes,
7
ma'am.
years old. It's a total family members three.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what happened? Why you terminate your contract?
Uh, overwork, ma'am.
Overwork. So after 2021 and until recently, do you have any working experience or you are a full-time mother?
I apply again in Saudi, ma'am.
What year?
October 2024 to January 2025.
So you work for 1 year only. Okay. So October 2024 to January 2025, you work for 3 months only.
Yes, ma'am. I only in there in the agency
So what happened?
because
What happened? Why you work for 3 months only?
because the agency tell me my employers is 70 years old. He died.
So did you take care of the elderly or no?
No,
So
ma'am.
you haven't been in your employer.
They not pick up me.
Oh, so you stay in agency lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you knowing that you have a working experience, okay? Are you ready
Yes,
for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time? Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time? Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook? Yes or no? Can you cook? Yes or no?
Little, ma'am, I can do.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
I'm scared, but I
Yes or
try, ma'am.
no? It's a yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. Okay? If you agree, it's okay. You can
Yes,
come.
ma'am.
If you disagree, you better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah? I think
Okay,
that's all
ma'am.
for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you so much
Okay,
and have a
ma'am.
good day.